This is a vintage Swiss-made Swatch watch in red with adjustable date. That's the back of the watch there. You can see where the battery is quite easily. Swatch watches were not made to be taken apart and serviced. They're in one solid piece, except for the area where you replace the battery. Today we're going to replace the battery in this watch. These are the tools we need: a screwdriver, pair of tweezers, and of course replacement battery. Just check the front of the watch, you'll see that it's not working. Second hand's not turning. So we'll put it on our pad first so we don't scratch the crystal. Then we'll take up a screwdriver, insert it into the battery case slot, turn it anti-clockwise, 1/8 of a turn. And then with a pair of tweezers, remove the cover. There you can see the battery. Matter of fact, I think if we turn it over, the battery will just fall out. And there it is there. Right, we'll replace that now. There's our battery, number LR1130. Now take up the watch and the new battery. Place the battery into the battery cavity. Then put the cover back on top again. You'll notice it has 3 little projections. Line them up with the 3 indents in the case and turn it clockwise with your screwdriver, 1/8 of a turn. There it is. We'll turn the watch over to make sure second hand is turning. Now we'll set the date. Pull the crown out halfway and turn it away from you, and you'll see the days turning over: Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Now to set the numerical date, you turn the crown in the opposite direction towards yourself, and you can see it turning over there: 7, 8, 9, etc. That's how you set the date, with the crown pulled halfway out. '23, 24, 25. There we go. That's today's date, Wednesday the 25th. Now it's set. If you want to learn how to service, repair and restore 19th and 20th century mechanical clocks, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.